Welcome, in front of me is a Xiaomi Redmi Note 9S, and today I'll show you how to bypass the Google verification screen. So as you can see, the device in front of me is locked, and I have two ways of getting it unlocked. One is through the pattern, or the other way is through using the Google account. So to get started with the bypass, we're gonna go back to the Wi-Fi and actually disconnect from it, which in your case you just don't have to connect to it at all. So I'm gonna forget that, and from here I'm gonna skip it. I'm just select them right here that I have read everything. Let's stop next, skip this step as well. Up on more and accept. And in here we want to set a screen lock. So as you previously seen, there was a pattern, so I'm gonna set a pin now. Let's use pin, give it the 4 seconds that we need, and then let's stop on got it and select our pin. I'm gonna just put 1 2 3 4, again 1 2 3 4, and confirm it. And now that it's added, we're gonna just simply go back to the Wi-Fi and reconnect to network. So let me just put in the password for my network and connect, and there we go. So we're now connected, and from here again we're gonna go to next and agree to all that stuff. Skip this step, next, don't copy, and there we go. Now instead of a pattern, we can unlock with the pin that we have literally just set. So let's just put 1 2 3 4, tap on next, and basically unlock the device. And there we go. Now we can log into to our Google account as a brand new user. If you don't have one, you can create it if you want to. You can also skip this now. It doesn't really matter which one you choose. Now I would still advise you to basically go through the process of resetting the device through settings, which I will show you once I'm done with the setup. That way you will remove all the leftovers of the previous account, because there's still a chance that there is some leftover, and for instance through resets through your the recovery mode might lock the device back up. So just to be sure that any kind of reset won't lock the device anymore, it's a fairly simple process. You would just go into the settings, about phone, and then reset from there. And once the process is finished, you just go again through the setup process of the device, but this time around you won't have to do any kind of backtracking. You just go through the setup as though it's a new device, fully unlocked. So as you can see, we're now on the home screen. So let's go to the settings, about phone, backup and reset, and then where is it? Erase all data, factory reset, and erase all data. Now again, you need to put that pin in there. I have done, and then wait 20 seconds or 10 seconds here and 10 seconds on the next page. So you tap next, and then once you tap on OK, the process will begin. Now I'm not gonna go through the process right now. I'm just showing you how to do it. But you basically press OK. It goes to the reset of it, and again after the process is finished, you would be in the setup screen, like I said, with basically ability to set up your device as a new one. So that is how you would bypass the Google verification screen. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.